I had a very, I don't know, I think it was a fairly short time of rebellion in my life. I was not the best teenager. I'd grown up in the church. My father was a godly man, so is my mom. My father was a fairly strong disciplinarian. In other words, he didn't mess around. And he found himself with a fairly wild teenage boy that was pressing all the boundaries and limits that he could find. That was me. Finally, my parents were going away for a couple of weeks. Yeah, I had never had any house party at my house, never. But they were going to be gone for a considerable period of time. So I decided I would have a 4-day party. We were going to start on Friday, and y'all got to go home Monday. I won't give you all the details of that party because I don't want in any way to glorify that lifestyle. But let's just say there were probably a couple hundred people that were in and out of that house all weekend long doing all kinds of stuff. I was not in very good shape myself when I got a phone call. And it was my dad saying, and I'm gonna try to do it so y'all can feel my fear. What you doing, boy? Now, look, we finished up a little early here and we're on our way home. We should be home in about an hour. I don't remember if I hung up, I don't know. I was in a full-fledged panic. There was a couple hundred people. I had to go outside to take that phone call. I came into that place and I started screaming, "Get out! Get out! Go! Go, go!" I'm running through every corner of that house, screaming, "Y'all gotta get out of here now, later, not Monday, now." I got other people helping me. We chasing people out. They finally got out, and I don't know. I'm thinking I got maybe 10 minutes. I looked at that house. I said, oh my God. So I grabbed some people. We got them big old trash bags, and we cleaned up more red cups than you've ever seen in your life. And I'm carrying them. I got to get them out. Where am I going to put them? We're in the country, y'all. I'm in the country. I'm taking trash bags to the woods. I'm throwing them, man. And about mid-haul, my daddy pulls up. I remember that day. I knew he was coming. I just didn't know he was coming so soon. I thought I had time. I had planned it out. I said, they coming home on next Thursday. I'm gonna get people out of here on Monday. Got a couple days. This place gonna look better than when they leave. I'm gonna get it ready when they come back. I'm gonna be ready. The problem was I didn't know when they were coming. I thought they were coming later and I'd have time, but I came to realize too late that I wasn't nearly ready. Jesus says, I'm coming. I'm coming soon. I'm coming like a thief, like my daddy on a Saturday. Behold, I stand at the door. I mean, he is warning us. I mean, he's saying, look, I'm around the corner. I'm on my way. You can see me coming down the driveway. I'm getting out the car. You better get ready. He says it. I know what's happening. Because unlike my father, he is not limited by time. He is here to inspect this morning. And he's here to rearrange some furniture. He says, I need y'all to get this thing right now. You don't have tomorrow. You might think that I'm coming next generation, not in my lifetime. I'm telling you, I'm at the door. I'm getting ready to come in. How's your house look? How's your house look? I would suggest that perhaps we got some red cups to take care of. Look, it's not just us. His temple, it's his house all over the planet. But we're responsible for this one. This one's the one that he has said to us, I've given you stewardship over. I've gone away. I'm coming back. And when I come back, I want to see what you did to my house.